Salmon is a delicious and healthy fish that can be cooked in a variety of ways. If you're a beginner and you're not sure how to prepare salmon, don't worry, it's actually quite easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose your salmon. When choosing salmon, you want to make sure it's fresh and of good quality. Look for bright, shiny flesh that's firm to the touch. If you're buying salmon fillets, make sure they're evenly sized so that they cook evenly. Rinse the salmon. Before you start cooking, rinse the salmon under cold running water to remove any excess scales or debris. Season the salmon. You can season salmon with a variety of herbs and spices, or keep it simple with just salt and pepper. Rub the seasonings onto the salmon, making sure to coat both sides. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a baking dish. Grease a baking dish with cooking spray or oil. Place the salmon in the dish. Place the seasoned salmon fillets in the greased baking dish, skin side down. Bake the salmon. Bake the salmon in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until it's cooked through and flaky. The exact cooking time will depend on the thickness of the fillets, so keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. Serve and enjoy. Once the salmon is cooked, you can serve it hot with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables or rice. If you prefer a different cooking method, such as grilling or pan-searing, the basic steps are the same. Season the salmon, cook it until it's done, and serve it up with your favorite sides. In conclusion, preparing salmon is a simple and tasty way to add some healthy protein to your diet. With a little practice, you'll be cooking up delicious salmon meals in no time. Like and subscribe.